Hey teachers, I'm Brittany, also known as Miss Roberts from Teach Blog Travel. And today, in this quick video, I'll be showing you how to convert different types of documents into other types of documents. Today, I'll show you specifically how to turn a PDF into a document. Let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you. So give me 1 second as I do that, and we'll make sure it's at full screen. Okay, so this is what I use. I go to pdf2doc.com. Now, it is basically the same that I use to combine PDFs, so I'll show you actually how to do that in another video using the same website. Notice when I go, let me open another tab so I can show you, just like PDF Escape, you don't actually have to sign in, you don't have to create an account, you don't have to pay for anything, it's super simple. And you have a couple of different options as you can see by these tabs. Let's go ahead and do PDF to DOCX, since that is the newest type of Microsoft Word document file. So I'm going to click Upload Files here. And I actually recently made a document that shows video etiquette for meetings for students. So if that's something that you're interested in, you can definitely head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, which if you just type in Teach Blog Travel, you should be able to find it. And I'll also link it in the bottom of the video description. So if you have slow internet like me, this step might take a second, but as you can see, it's already uploading the document. And after it uploads, it will take a second to convert. So after it has uploaded, you'll see it converts very quickly, and I already have it transferred. Let's go ahead and click on the document so we can download it. And you can already see it right there. It now has the DOCX extension. Let me click on that for you so you can see what it looks like. Now, I don't really use Microsoft Office often. I primarily use Google Docs and all of the Google apps. But if you still use the Microsoft Office suite, there you go. It is now up into my Microsoft Word. I can click Enable Editing, and I can now add fields to it. Now, it's important to note that because this was a PDF originally, all of these items are going to stay on the document, but you can insert text and do things over it. You can add more pictures. You can add a header. You can add a page number. Let's go ahead and add a text box. We'll do a simple one, and you can just type it and you can drag it to where you want it to go. This is also a way that you can make PDFs editable by changing them into Microsoft documents. I also have another video to show you how to make a PDF editable if you want to keep it a PDF, so be sure to check out that video as well if that is what you're looking for. So like I said, super short video today, and that is pretty much it. Like I said, that was pdf2doc or docx.com. Whatever extension you're looking to change will be the title of the website. You can also combine PDFs with that, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video. So again, I'm Brittany from Teach Blog Travel. You can purchase items from my Teachers Pay Teachers store, and the link for that is below. If you're just here for the tutorial videos, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell so that you never miss a new video. If you haven't already joined my Google Classroom Crash Course, you're also more than welcome to join that. I have a ton of resources, instruction, and tutorials there for you as well. Otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and until next time.